Okay, tamazo tenda chapter work and energy ki part 1 part shi mas chandra ma ta ma chale tu chen o dene one kasa part chik tha ta work done kari me work done ki ke sum ani work done ta dewa ki calculation adi sa ra ta next na to khare ye din ma link yor ta work done the energy bar the chapter the topic ni dwa work done and work and energy le da so work the energy link yor then the subtopic le sama kang la ding da yor ta the next general rules. Suppose if Tashi can finish a work in 5 days, then work done by Tashi in 1 day is 1/5. Tang also din yang work done yang khare te gore duration time te go timing that te wa ge oza na lya chi china lya chi ye de la juzo go ru ra chuze chi korso chuze ni korso chuze ma korso nima chi korso nima ni korso ani duda chi korso tawa chi korso lo chi korso la de ro so di khacha to duration time. Okay, so work done the time barla dewa odi ngaso the jamaje and exercise here exercise china goya to suppose cases if Tashi can finish a work in 5 days utala kharite na task kharite ne ondi nima na chitu na sra ta ko nima chigla khajo gores la chi then work done by Tashi in 1 day is equal to 1/5 1 divided by 5 and 1 divided by 1/5 line to go. Okay, so nima chila ane jujo gajo korla na 1/5 1/5 che ine din ashin ge ha ko shebach. Suppose that the work done by Tashi is 1/5 ta kare ya chigyo dis ra la Tashi gi la chi sa gyo dis ra 1/5 in bacha jos ta jujo gajo re de la jujo la ta then time taken by Tashi to finish the whole work is equal to 5 days. ता जुजो खादु को लेगा ती खादु छ रे ना 1/5 ला छ रे स्रा इने या छ तो जुजो खाजो गोरे ना निमामा गोरे 5 days ता 5 days ला तो आंसो जुजो लगा कन्वर्ट here second convert here 5 into 24 into 60 into 60 na second convert here okay all this chine ta number 5 days na खाजो रे ला तो number values to ne and say yeah in the chine to go ya total 5 days 1 day and 1 month in the chine to ta also dina dewa khare re the physical quantity work done ya bo ding hours time taken ya na duration of the work ra ja che na juso gura kamachi korne borre chuse chi korne bor so the ding also next exercise che exercise number deshi yoga deshi ke andi jana exercise. Okay, what problems on time and work work done la la bata da da force into displacement and force into displacement cos theta le so dida any time duration parula devache any exercise. Sonam and Dharma together can do a piece of work in 15 days ta da chine work done chinge disure Sonam and Dharma koni la nya po chit la chires a piece of work la chires tanata assignment yana science project chochis this science project di chiela yana chapter chang board da na work in energy odi janga la nima choma bores work nima choma na la sare science project chiela yana work in energy chapter di janga la while Dharma alone can finish it in 20 days the koni nya po china nima choma bores Dharma chipo chitu da na bugi ane anda ma zo science ki chapter work in energy janga la nima nishu bores la osa. In how many days can Sonam alone finish the work? Dharma gi nima nishu na na ane anda chapter work and energy di tsagyo na sra di lea tsawa na na lea chiwa la hora tsagyo na sra na duration chi da lea da nyambo the time taken chi da di na sra ane Sonam gi ane tujo kajo kogures di lea chi la okay chiwa di ta chiwa na kare link ti do work done the time taken chiwa niwa Junjuk can do a piece of work in 25 days and Ngawam can finish it in 20 days. Okay, ta la chinge ni yorda Junjuk ki la chikta next chapter pre-reading chapter next chapter dikhara sound chwa Junjuk ki pre-reading chair sound ka odi reading chair la pre-reading re chin sub topic la nima nichana bores Ngawam ki ane sound ki chapter pre-reading chela nima nishu kores la they walk together for 5 days that is sound ka pre-reading chela sound ki chapter pre-reading chela oni la reading nyabo chitu kala nima ka zo chires la na 5 days osa di individual ka che di koni la nyabo chitu pre-reading nyabo chitu sound ka chapter nima ma kores and then Tundup leaves that ne nima ma chi sa jela ne Tundup ki dota la shabash ra that kanga lote shabash changis inji changis la Tundup inji jangoyos la inji janga Tundup la ta sujukona re ma chukula ra ta Tundup leaves la in how many days will Ngawang finish the remaining book ta nima ma chira sound ki chapter the pre-reading to individual china nima dios ko ta pani nyabo chude nima ma cha ta nima ma na la ya chi res ra ta nima ma na ya chi de ka bla su de ne do re ya ki ne Tundup do a Tundup english changa du ga da ta ma sha ra o di su chi re ta Ngawang ki pre-reading chu ra ne Ngawang pre-reading che pha she che ra ane di lois sama azu loma to gyum je kera loma do ni lois and di resha san tu la ra ta ma bi lo pre-reading che la thama subtopic thama sound ka subtopic thama di nima ka zo chi res okay so this sama time duration ta work done ta divide ge che ya thama dene ko zo ra thang solution thang go Sonam and Drama walk together can do a piece of work in 15 together can do a piece of work in 15 days nima chonga la chires nara so given the kare the given piece which are Sonam and Drama piece of work in 15 days ra है ना work done when I did okay कहीं भी कुछ piece of work for how many days 15 days nyamo chiyo te lagorta chuju okay then while Drama alone finish it in 20 days Drama piece of work also there 20 days the next how many days can Sonam alone finish the work Sonam gi la di khaju la chaldres tara okay Drama jigo gi china nima nishu korbo res ta Sonam khaju chi res tara so the answer to be find out kare to find out work done of Sonam hello Titsera okay Ndukala tamajo ingi 1/5 la da nima nishu chire nima nishu ja duration kare kore la na 1/20 ani nima choma chire and duration kajo kore la na 1/15 nima ma chire ani duration kajo kore la na 1/5 la sto all the ani kajo tamar so Sonam and Drama ma chikare Sonam and Drama the duration kacha age 1/15 church ऐसा यानी ड्रामा आज कल्चर है 1/20 church या 1/20 ओटन 1/20 duration ना होता है duration Sonam and Drama निमा 15 days लगा था time taking the 1/15 चे Drama आज piece of work ले आछिए दी निमा निशु कोण रसा Drama kachi time taken the 120 che ta koni domna okay dome ma tera di nyambo ta doma kachi ki ma thena an sonam basra doma da sonam kachi ka zo do sonam plus doma kachi 115 to the minus 120 hence la Itena doma ashtena ani kare sonam chipu gila chigi doma chipu gila chigi dirwa doma da sonam nicha gila chigi duration ki 15 days chaza okay tene doma chipu aji 20 days na azo kare sonam achera so doma koninya bo dene ani doma achtena sonam achra okay ta di subtraction da subtraction ina da dinjo symbol dinjo jamu to kinjo manguji kare dinsamma bojune ya number calculation dinjo hauda so the denominator chikwa remita subtraction kara mena ani khachure denominator chikwa su an chikwa su ki kara common factor chene chide dugore yana chikwa su ki cross multiply chine dugor okay common factor chena ani 5 gini cha dura 5 3 are 15 5 4 are 20 4 minus 3 15 into 20 chine dugor ta enda ya method chambaji math la method mangoda chambaji cross multiply chin 1 the 20 15 the 20 the multiply china ma jo khachi ore denominator di chikwa so the subtraction de da denominator so also cross che 120 to 20 115 to 15 che and 15 into 20 khachu de da 15 to 30 ra okay 300 30 the zero scale so that is 300 next the 20 minus 15 5 chaza 5 by 300 chaza adi cut dura 5 1 5 2 so 30 20 chaza oh huh something just 5 1 so 5 5 6 30 okay so that is the 1 chaza so that is 160 chaza so that this kare gachi chare sonam gachi alone sonam chubu gila chidu gala tan taking the days re sonam alone ki botan kajure 160 okay the chik char ta majo di magic jiwa chik char Tachi china to sonam alone the drama alone kachi kare drama kachi tobna ane konni kachi 115 3 to that okay so the this answer chik that then next the la tindu can do a piece of work in 25 days and now finish it in 20 days la solution niwa given Tinduk agenda tango Tinduk the piece of work so 25 days will be 25 days chaza next the ngawang pach individual much now the piece of work as such as 20 days the next la time taken the 1/5 night says okay this here also to pachi piece of nima dias che nima che time taken dita to pachi Into kacha re into 1 day work into 1 day work the kacha re 1 by 25 okay that in sama ye so na alone 1 day la kacha work this sama 1 day drama ki kare drama 1 day's work So long allows 1 day's work. One 25th jasa. Next the mawang match kachang mawang's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20 jasa. Ta kuni kachi rilaso la nyamu chires. They work together for 5 days. Nimanga la chires. So dombura. Induce 1 day work plus mawang's 1 day work. Induce kachkazure 1 25th and digach mawang kachkare 120. Koni handa khanre direm do hasan denominator chiko renda ala dikola chiko sena 120 20 jasa plus 25 25 25 jasa. So ditanga 25 into 250 to 500. 25 into 2 25 is 10 2 2 is 4 5 and 0 is 500. So this is 500. The next the issue situation 45 divided by 500 che tamazo di nyambo la kachore into 5 kuni la nyambo chire la so into 5 di kora ni nyambo chiwa gashi la nima ni chama chira asa nima ma chira. Okay, so di into bana 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 5 1s are 5 0 0 9 by 100. 9 by 100 into 5 chasa. 9 by 100 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 100 chasa, which is equal to 9 by 100. Answer 9 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10. 10 are 9 and 3 ki 2 mala 3 3s are 9 3 3s are 9 2. Okay, 9 by 20. 9 by 20 that you gonna di ne khacha ore work together into tam into plus current bawang worked together for 5 days. They were the 9 by 20 lana 20 2500 ra 24 80 24 80 jasa then 1 0 then 2 di ma 25 ani 100 ra 20 into 5 5 to 700 0.45 yana 9 by 20 nani kindolate wor dikine dor da yana 9 by 20 kindolate. Okay, so this is what today how many days will ngawang finish the remaining. Okay, the di moni nyam put nimanga chigur ta na ga ngawang ka chigira ngawang nima chiga ka chigire nana this minus 1 minus contribution is lower. So didira mawang finish remaining work khaju chare ni mama leanya bu chine di ga chkarsa sound khaj pre reading chera ni mama nya bu chira individual di chasa ta di chela ni mama chi paru dela tundu dora tundu done ya hama di mawa chu ke ta mawa khaju chire slar khaju kore slar mawa work remaining work for remaining is remaining work for work done for remaining task. So that is 1 minus the details 9 by 2 0.5 9 by 20 is equal to that is one decimal chipa mana kasan denominator chipa mana mintu banaya first time 120 minus 9 and chipa chazata that is equal to 20 minus 9 nana nishu good na chik chaza chik okay 11 by 20 now much this 11 by 20 then 20 days mathemura 20 days mathemura 11 by 20 minus 20 into 20 okay into 20 how Dunduk can do a piece of work in 25 days and Ngawang finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then Dunduk leaves. How many days will Ngawang finish the remaining day? Okay, so that is into 20. So did that Manishu Dika Duanata Nima Duyas and that sama individual kachra ko nima duration nima azu chires 90 dollars so that is 11 days now azu gore la hama che pre reading che di nima chukchi gore 11 days okay tinto piece of work nima ni cha gore pre reading ye task ta pena azu kare sound kach pre reading ha azu gore nima nishu ane tinto nima chi ka kasu chore nana time duration 1 by 25th ane ngawa ka chikare 120 che ane koni tinto ta ngawa nyabu chire strat tinto ta ngawa nyabu chine kasu re dilasa 9 by 100 lesa nyabu kasu chire nima nga chire stra nyabu individual ka chiche nyabu nima ma adene martene 9 by 20 rasa gitine chigwa ta dene ngazo kare Tinyabu chigudra, Tanyabu chine, Kine kare, Tundu Tura, Tundu Gala, Mawangi, Yama di Kaju Kore, Nana, Nima, Uchi Gores. Okay.